My name is Oren Levy, I'm from Ilan University. I've been doing research here in Eilat Marine Laboratory, what we call IUI, for the last 20-25 years. I would say that the expedition is, from my experience, is the first time I was experienced doing that. In the past I was doing some coring from porous corals, but this was a total different story. There was a big excitement here in the IUI because this is actually the first time that someone approached and sampled this kind of cores. There were before some sediment cores from the Gulf here, but this is the first time, and I hope we can provide some valuable information to here the community in the Red Sea and also the community in the Indian Ocean, which we collaborate with Singapore as well. We collaborated with Dr. Torfstein from the IUI, which is part of the Hebrew University. He's a geologist. And we also invited another researcher which is specialized in doing reef coring.
My name's Mick. I'm from Perth in Western Australia, and I'm an academic at the University of Western Australia, where I specialise in climate geoscience, which is all about understanding how the climate has changed in the past. I was invited due to my experience in coring of coral reefs. So from my PhD right through to my research projects, I've done a lot of reef coring to better understand how reefs have evolved and adapted during the Holocene and further back in time.
I'm Feldman. I'm Oren Levy's PhD student from Ilan. Just starting my second year at the PhD, and the project is about comparing two reefs at the Indo-Pacific, Israel or Eilat and Singapore. So this week we were coring, how much was it? 11 cores. Yeah. We got 11 cores, mostly 10 cores were from the nature reserve and one from the Princess Beach.
The Eilat reef is, firstly, the water quality is incredible, the visibility is amazing. This is a true clear water reef system. The reefs are much more dense and hard. So typically with a turbid reef we find that you have more platy type corals. There's more of a muddy matrix, more delicate branching species, which makes coring through these kind of reefs very straightforward. And we can get long cores with minimal effort. The reef at Eilat is incredibly hard and dense. And so trying to core through the platform reefs has proved very difficult and is nothing like I've had to experience before. Actually,
can get the processing done pretty quickly and get like wide perspective about the reef in Eilat, about the history in the reef in Eilat, and we can compare the history of the two reefs in Eilat and in Singapore, and see if they are different, if they are alike, and get a good paper out of it.
And for me, basically, from my perspective as personal, it was very good adventure. The people were happy, it was a good teamwork, and let's see what will come out of it.